What's up, Nashville? Our bodies are still recovering from our flight. We got jet lag. It's about 4 a.m. You know what though? Before we came, we went on Amazon. We ordered some stuff to get delivered to the Amazon Prime lockers, the Amazon lockers. We're gonna go pick that up right now. So, let's go. Ta-da! Oh shit, I already got one. Ah, okay. So this is brewing. Something's happening. Something's happening. Alright, right about now we're gonna go to the Amazon locker. I ordered a GoPro 360 a couple days ago. They said I could pick it up right here in Nashville. That's like a 5-minute walk down the street. Let's go pick it up and see what this Amazon locker is all about, guys. Yo, are you tired of porch pirates stealing your shit? Are you homeless but still want to acquire a bunch of shit you don't need? Maybe your wife kicked you out of the house and now you gotta buy a tent. Where are you gonna get it from? Well, guess what? I got the thing for you. There's this thing called Amazon lockers. Not that kind of lock. This kind of locker right here. It's the Amazon locker. Hello, my name is Basil. So basically what Amazon locker is a locker that you order it on Amazon and they send it to the locker and it's secured and it's a self-serving kiosk, so you just come up, punch in your 6-digit code, get your and go. Oh, they got a barcode?
Yes.
Scan that barcode, come on.
Dun, 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 dun. Open locker 1.
Wait.
Ooh. Okay.
Try the code. Do the code this time.
Your locker is open on your left.
Oh.
Once. Okay. Open locker 1. Ooh. No more. Close. That's it. We don't have address in Nashville, but we got Amazon locker.
Amazon locker. Check it out in a city near you. Amazon locker is a free service, but if you're a Prime member, you get free 2-day shipping, and you gotta pick up your packages by 3 days or else they return it to the sender. Well, that was really easy. Highly recommend Amazon lockers. Guys, not a sponsored ad, but they should pay me. And if you guys want to know what I got, click down below.
Hi everyone, good morning. Today is January 17, our first full day here in Nashville. Time check, it's around 7 o'clock. We're gonna go for breakfast. We are with Jeremy's sister. Hi. And her husband.
Hello.
How old is you now?
He is very
Life is a winding road.
About to rent this and go eat some breakfast.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights.
Yo guys, milk, honey is money.
Jumping from cliffs so high. Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give it to you.
I
ordered waffles, chicken, bacon, maple syrup, Okay. Let's try this chicken. Crunchy. It's crunchy, juicy. It has a buttermilk flavor.
All right, breakfast was awesome. Now we're going around Nashville trying to look for all the murals, trying to get some good photos for, you know, do it for the gram.
Lucky Charms, another cereal, but it's a chocolate one. Kabilin-bilinan ni Jacob. Mommy, you're gonna go to Target or Walmart when you go to the States.
Yo, what's up everybody? We just ordered some food from Hattie Bs. Hot chicken. When you're in Nashville, you gotta eat that hot chicken. So right now what we got is, we got hot chicken. They have different heat levels. They got the southern, no heat, mild, touch of heat, medium, warming up, hot, feel the heat, damn hot, that's the fire starter, and shut the cluck up, burn notice. Shut the cluck up, mother cluckers. Check it out, guys. This right here, this is, what is this, Ann? This is half bird?
Half bird.
Half bird, this is hot. Another half bird, this is the damn hot. And this right here, 3-piece tenders, shut the cluck up, you know what that is. And right here, these are the glasses for the loser that wants to drink the milk. We also got ice cream. Let me grab this one right here. Dude, I'm already sweating. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I'm trying not to eat anything. Here, Angel.
It's pretty hot.
Ah, fuck.
Actually,
Let me see that.
I don't know if it's that hot.
It is hot.
Oh yeah, it is hot.
Ah, drink some milk. Ah.
See you break first. You want some beer? You want some milk? Don't touch your eyes.
I wonder if it's gonna get hotter. I'm sweating.
Did you drink anything? Ah. Dude, it's hot. But this one is not hot.
Okay. Alright.
This one is not
I don't know
hot.
how long that heat lasted. It's cooling down now though.
Yeah.
Hattie Bs, Nashville, check it out. Alright, peace. Oh wait, you know what? After this, we got a pub crawl. We're gonna hit up a pub crawl at 2:30. I don't know how many bars it is, maybe 4 or 5, but we're gonna do it through the Ville tours, and it's gonna be awesome. Alright, see you guys later. So right about now, we're gonna go on our little beer hopping tour. We just made it to our first stop for the pub crawl. Wild Horse. Yo, who let all the kids in the bar? Cheers to beer crawl. Come on now. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
This is sweet tea with a shot of lemonade.
Sit my arms back to, I'm living on Jerusalem. Satisfaction, baby, I'm
You set in.
This is my dance area. Me, myself, I like big nuts and I cannot lie.
Hell yeah.
When a girl walks in with a itty bitty
Last bar, this is Alley Taps.
Which this one was a big.
This is the Dixon side.
Get that.
All right, guys, that's the last one. We're rolling out. Rolling out. We rolling out, yo. We rolling out, yo.
Where are you rolling to?
It's 10:30. Guess who decided to wake up?
What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone? We just made it down to Broadway. We're gonna take it all the way down, and then after that, we're gonna go hit up some of these bars.
Yeah, buddy.
Damn, what we got here? Look what we got. Food. We got it from this Express pizza and gyros. Ooh, gyro plate. Another gyro plate. What else we got here? Damn. What's that, a freaking Philly cheesesteak? We got a pizza. Or a calzone. Let's eat all this food. And we're gonna call it a night. Peace. Guys, I'm a professional barista. Let me show you how to pour some milk in the coffee.
That was a foam. That's a milk.
I thought it was gonna do something, and that's not how to do it. That's not how you do it. Yo, I was walking with my camera right now and just fell out of my freaking hand and I kicked it into the freaking dirt pile. I saved it. And I'm drunk.